Welcome to Alikare, and I'm Pia. And in today's video, we're going to talk about cavities, cavities and plaque. Plaque is like when you eat and you eat over a period of time, you start to see, even if you brush your teeth, you start to see some white hardening, something until it stays there and discolored to yellow or brown, right? Like the picture I'm showing here. So what we're going to do, we're going to make a substance that will take care of it in less than 2 minutes. If it stays bad, I recommend you repeat this at least 3 times per week. It not only take away the plaque, but it's going to whiten your teeth. Next thing I want to tell you, if you trouble with sore gum and if you trouble with, you know, these little pimples come up in your mouth now and again, it will also help for that. You know, to go to the dentist, what happened, it's also a little bit discomforting. Some people say it's hard to get your tooth clean, but however, with this remedy, you do not feel any pain. Please floss after you do this and not before. I will not show you me flossing because I had floss before I made this video, so I'm not gonna floss with my demonstration. So this is why I'm telling you now to floss when you do. I mix this recipe for you. Please do not swallow it. Make it stay in your mouth just like the demonstration. Now, you know, when it comes to medical bill, sometimes we don't have health card. Sometimes we can't get to go to the dentist as often as we should. My dentist recommend that I get a clean every 6 months. Now, sometimes we don't have it, as I said, and sometimes before the 6 months you want to make sure when you go to the dentist you don't find cavities. I don't know why people think that you should have cavities then go to the dentist. You shouldn't have any, and when you go to the dentist they should clarify that you don't have any. You're not supposed to have for them to fix, so make sure you don't have any. So it's best to do this before going, and best to do this so you don't have to go regularly. Just cut costs also. And you know, sometimes our breath with teeth decay over a period of time. This also helps to make sure everything, you know, is right with your teeth. So don't forget the dentist though. But stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy this demonstration as I show you and understand it, so you can also whiten your teeth and take away dental plaque the way how I take away mine. So we have half teaspoon, this is half teaspoon baking soda. And this is 3% hydrogen peroxide. And we're using 1 teaspoon. And this is coconut oil. We're going to use 1/4 teaspoon. And why we use the oil, if I didn't say it in the next video, we use the oil to moisturize the gum because the peroxide and the baking soda is a little bit harsh, so you don't get any irritation. And then we're going to use half teaspoon Colgate. Make sure it's the Colgate brand, or Sensodyne toothpaste. I only recommend those 2 toothpaste. If you're using the Colgate, you can put some Sensodyne in there, because the Sensodyne toothpaste, no, this is not an ad, it is really good for the nerves. That is, if you have trouble with toothache and those things, it's really good for the nerves. So I'm mixing out this. You don't want it too watery. You don't want it too watery. I went ahead and put a little bit more baking soda in there because it was too watery. Right, you still want it in a toothpaste form. So this is how thick it should be. Pause. So this is what I do. I tear small file. I put it in the file. Hold it up to my mouth now. I do the top teeth first. Keep it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell and comment below. Now, remember that you should floss. As I said, I didn't show flossing because I forget that I was going to do this video, and I flossed already and I don't want to floss again to irritate my gum. So guys, remember to floss, okay? Always floss, even if you brush your teeth. I always recommend, if you do not even use mouthwash same time, always remember to floss, because sometimes this toothbrush don't get between the creases of your teeth. And for all who's obsessed with teeth cleaning, this is really a good method for you, because the veneers and all of those things, they're very expensive. So this is a way how to take care of yourself. I hope you do enjoy this video. Thank you so much. This is Thea.